Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to change member rules in Google Chat Spaces. It's very easy. Let's see step by step. Step 1, open Google Chat. Then step 2, select space. Step 3, select manage members. Here you can see all of the members of the spaces. Now you can see there is a two member and one is owner. If you want to change the rules of this user, then just click here and select like manager. Then the user can add members in this space. Thank you for watching.